Greetings and welcome everybody. This is just an announcement to let you know that the next Community Day is going to be tomorrow starting at 2 p.m. The link will go live in this video description and on my Twitter for you to join my Discord. So this is for everybody. My Patreons have pledged enough that I am just doing pretty much a work day of helping anyone out who wants it. So if you're able to drop by, we can work on a game project that you are working on, debugging, or just chat about game development in general. Doesn't matter. I'll be there on my Discord. Other people will be there as well. It'll be fun. If you want to drop by, go ahead. If you are interested in joining my Patreon to help me do more of these days throughout the month to give back, then check out the link in the description. If you have any questions, let me know. So that's what I've got for you. I hope to see you there. As always, have fun making great games. I'll talk to you later.